Hello everyone. The point of sale lock order line app helps user to prevent any modifications to the order line after it has been printed. So for that we need to complete the point of sale configuration. So let's get into the settings. Under point of sale, where we can see an option named lock point of sale order line, which helps user to lock an order line after it has been printed. After enabling this feature, will lock an order line. If user tries to edit an order line which are already printed, it will show an warning message to the user. It will be already in the lock state. So for that, let's change an Mitchell admin access rights to user. So for that, let's get into the user. Now let's change and point of sale access rights as an user. Now let's save this one. So once everything is done, let's get into the point of sale and open a new session. So from here, let's get into one of the table and let's place an order. Okay, so let's select the customer. So from here you can see an bill. Let's print the bill. Now you can see that I have printed the bill. So once everything is done, now I am in the Mitchell admin, which is a normal user, that is point of sale user. So if user tries to change anything, like if they tries to add discount in it, it will show an warning message like this. Like it will be that order line will be in the lock state. So you can see you cannot modify this line because this order line is locked. In this way, we can make use of the point of sale lock order line module to prevent any modifications to the order line after it has been printed. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for Odoo related updates. To see more about point of sale related videos, check on our BrowseInfo playlist to see all the newly updated features that we have. Thank you for watching.